Suppose Greg sold his car to Jenny for $3,000 down and monthly payments of $350 for 3.5 years. Suppose that their agreement also included interest at 6.5% compounded monthly. Let's try to determine the selling price of the car. Now, while it's not stated explicitly here, let's understand that the payments here are going to happen at the end of the payment period. Otherwise, these payments would be lumped into the down payment for the car. So these are month-end payments, and we know that the payment size here is $350, and we're going to be paying to Greg this amount. So let's take the payment to be negative $350. Now, be careful here because we do have to skip over the $3,000 down. We're going to deal with that at the end. So let's just make a little note. To add $3,000 to whatever we get for the PV when we go to use our calculator. Obviously, at the end of this payment stream, we should expect to owe $0 to Greg for this vehicle. And let's take a look. We're going to be making payments for 3.5 years. So monthly payments for 3.5 years. 12 times 3.5 means we're going to be making 42 equal-sized payments. Okay, those payments are happening monthly. It looks like our interest rate is 6.5%, also compounding monthly, so that should finish off our chart for us. So let's begin with n is equal to 42, and then we'll move into our interest, which is 6.5. Going into our submenu, let's program both of these in to be 12. And we'll quit that submenu. We're going to calculate the PV. Let's take our payments to be $350 negative, and our future value to be 0. Let's go ahead and compute the principal amount. We get $13,116.17. Remember that we do have to add the down payment to this in order to get the present value of the car. So once we add that $3,000, we should get that the selling price of the car was $16,116.17.